Hi everybody, welcome back to the Electrical Innovations web channel. I am Jordan, your host, and today we'll be talking about knob and tube wiring. If your home was built before the 1950s, there's a good chance the wiring system in your home is knob and tube wiring. We're going to break down what it is, why it can be unsafe, and when it's time to upgrade to modern electrical standards. What is knob and tube wiring? Knob and tube wiring, often called K&T, was one of the first standardized electrical systems used in homes. It was common from the 1880s through the 1940s. Here's how it works. It uses ceramic knobs to support the wires and ceramic tubes to protect them as they pass through framing. The system uses two separate wires, a hot and a neutral, and they run independently, not bundled together like the modern wire. For its time, it was considered safe and innovative. Why knob and tube wiring is a problem today. Even though K&T was well designed for early electrical needs, it wasn't built for the demands of modern homes. Several issues make it risky today. First, it was not designed for modern electrical loads. Homes today use far more appliances and electronics. K&T wiring wasn't designed to handle modern electrical demand. The second is there's no grounding. K&T systems do not include a ground wire, which means no safe path for the fault current, higher risk of shock, incompatibility with modern three-prong outlets, and many other appliances. The third problem is insulation problems. Originally, K&T wiring relied on open-air spacing to dissipate the heat. When homeowners later added insulation around it, that created a fire hazard because the wires were never meant to be buried in the insulation. The fourth problem is age and deterioration. Most K&T wiring is now 80 to 140 years old. Over time, insulation becomes brittle, the connections loosens. Modifications by untrained homeowners create unsafe splices. The fifth problem, insurance issues. Many insurance companies either charge higher premiums or require replacement. These concerns make upgrading a smart long-term investment. Now let's talk about when you should upgrade. You should strongly consider upgrading to modern wiring if 1. You're renovating or opening walls. This is the perfect time to replace old wiring because access is easier and cheaper. 2. You're adding major appliances. Air conditioners, microwaves, EV chargers, and other high-load devices require circuits K&T can't safely support. 3. You have frequent electrical issues such as flickering lights, tripping breakers, warm outlets, buzzing switches. These can indicate overloaded or deteriorating wiring. 4. Your home still has active K&T. Even if it seems fine, it's outdated and lacks modern safety features like grounding, GFCI and AFCI protection. 5. If your insurance company requires it. This is becoming increasingly common. Now let's talk about the benefits of upgrading to modern wiring. Upgrading isn't just about safety, it improves your home in several ways. There is increased electrical capacity for modern living, grounded circuits for safer appliances, compatibility with GFCI and AFCI protection, lower fire risk, better resale value, easier to ensure modern wiring is designed to meet today's electrical code and safety standards, giving you peace of mind. So that's the rundown on knob and tube wiring, what it is, why it is risky, and when it is time to upgrade. If you live in an older home and aren't sure what kind of wiring you have, give us a call. We can inspect your system, explain your options, and help you bring your home safely into the modern age. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next episode.